2018 question 2. An aircraft travels a speed of 400 kilometers an hour in still air. It sets out to fly from P to Q. Q is north of P. Here's Q and P. There's a wind blowing. What direction? 60 kilometers an hour from the northeast, so it's coming down this way from the northeast, and that would make the angle 45 degrees. So put that in. So that angle is going to be 45. This one's going to be 90. So the plane, what direction is the plane going to have to go in? Well, it's going to have to go in this direction here to get dragged down to the left here. So if I just take that triangle out again and put my variables on it, the wind is 60 kilometers an hour. The plane can fly at 400 kilometers an hour. It has to go from here to here, so it's going to go in a straight line to get from P to Q. So this is the velocity of the plane, the actual speed that it's traveling in. So we have this angle here is 135. We have enough information here with the sine rule to get the other angles. So 400 over sine 135 is equal to 60 over this angle here, we'll call it 8. So 60 sine 135 is equal to 400 sine A. So divide by the 400. It's going to give me the sine A to be 0.106. So A, the inverse sine of 0.106 is going to be 6.0847, 6.08 degrees. So they're looking forward to the direction the pilot should set his course. So he should set his course that way to be kind of, you're going against the wind like a windsurfer, but you're actually going straight up from P to Q. So how far is the aircraft? From P after 20 minutes. Okay, so we need the velocity of the plane. The velocity of the plane. Well, we can use the sine rule again here over the sine of this angle. Over the sine of 180 minus 6.08 minus 135. That's going to give me 45 minus 6.08 is 38.92. So that's going to be equal to 60 over the sine of 6.08. So cross multiplying, we're going to get the velocity of the plane to be 60 sine 38.92 over the sine of 6.08, which is going to give the velocity of the plane to be 355.88. So the wind is slowing it down. It could travel at 400 if there was no wind, kilometers an hour. So in 20 minutes it's going to go a third of an hour, so divide that by 3 and we are going to get the velocity or the distance traveled. Not the velocity, maybe I should not do that in one stage. So speed over time will give me the distance traveled. 355.88 divided by 3, a third of an hour, multiplying by a third or multiplying by 20 over 60 is equal to 118.6277, 118.63 kilometers.